So mwebale nnyo okujja olwaleero. One more time amanya gange nze Cinderella Sanyu abasinga mumanye nga the king herself Cindy Biebe. Bayise wano olwaleero okulangirira concert yange. I started natandise okukola about a month ago, but abasinga abadde tebakimanyi. So nze ne ttiimu yange ne tusalawo nti a good way okulaunching nti I might come back after about 2 years of not releasing music. Yali badde ntukolerako a comeback concert. So kyenziza okulangirira olwaleero era mwebale nnyo okujja okubeerawo. So concert yange egenda kubeerawo nga 15 omwezi ogwa September guno omwaka gwennyini. We've been looking at different venues, but news gwe nafunye from my team this morning was like venue eriwo enene at the moment eri gundi Kololo Airstrip right now, which is available. So the bookings have been done and we are all set for 15th of September at Kololo Airstrip.
This very year?
This very year, yeah, 2023.
Yeah. 15th September kuli Yolo Festival ya Sheebah mu kifo kyekimu, that's Kololo.
I heard about Sheebah ina Yolo Festival, the same event. Naye team yange wagenzo kebera. The date was available and the venue was available. So we booked it. So ebirala simanyi. Nze kyemanyi za team yange ya bookings and we're all set for 15th of September. Kyemba mmanye mu bintu byaffe by'endongo, it's not about what you say, it's what you do. Oyinza okulanga concert naye ng'obanga tutaddewo sente on the venue oba tukoze eki tugibookinze. So my team was early enough and the venue has been paid for, so we are all set to go.
2 years back, that was the Boom Party concert.
Yes.
At this time around, Chirikitia.
This is a comeback concert. Now I releasing audio and the video is coming out soon. Olwimba lwange Fire. So tubaye to debating and team na tujite Fire concert. See what tujite just a comeback concert. So a poster was in a full minute na buli kimu, you'll have a final poster, but I wanted people to know early enough kuba obudde butono. Yeah. So
ekirala ku lunaku lwe lumu King Mike alinayo concert.
Yes. So it's the same thing is that yes.
Eriwo kugatta bayimbi, so tekireetewo ko bukuubagano nti oyingiride Michael.
Nga bwe nadde ngamba nti olina okubeera ng'obookings. So when we went ne tubuuza ani ataddeko ssente biki, there was no booking for that event. So olunaku whoever has the only certified show eriwo nti it has been paid for and everything, that is just my concert on the 15th of September 2023.
Tukitwala embuna eno egenda kuba battle between you ne Sheebah.
Nze kyemanyi it's my show is going to be there. Battle eri battle. Then show eri show. So unless otherwise it's
I don't know battling Sheebah because twa mwe namutadde Ekivulu on the same date, same location, mugenda kwawula mu mutya. Tenti yo tebeere eno neyo linebeere si kyemugezaako kola.
As a detail, I don't know. If Bwabanga ayagala take out such a challenge, you know what, me and my team would be welcome. I would welcome a challenge. But so far, your venue is available. Boyabada booking as Simanyinga Boyachikoze. Yeah, but then Watubanga tweeted them protocol, that's what has been done. I've booked the venue and I'm having the concert on that day.
Wayogera ku management ya Sheebah kuba bo bali ba ebintu byabo byafuma mabegako. Ngamba no this morning mwafunye team yo yageze nekebera nga is available. Wayogerako nabo.
Nali setaga kwogera nabo. Bwe ntuuka mu kifo as a businesswoman nga kiri available nze ngenda kibooking. I don't need to consult you because you're not my business partner. So nze bwe ntuuka nga it's not bangamba muna baleka balina akabadi akaabwe, but me I'm booking the venue because business is business.
Tuyingidde olutalo lwe twawulira lwali ku Sereni, ngumi yali enyose eri kati tugenze mu lutalo lwa kifu kwekuba.
Neda simanyi, maybe along the way, maybe unless nasaze want agenda take our challenge. Na for now, si bwe kiri.
Cindy, kino tulaba kiyitiridde mu music industry. Kutegeka events ennaku zezimu. Because tulaba tukyaliwera ku Alien Skin Palaso, this time around it's you and Sheebah. Kati kyekifuuse trend yeriwo kati.
I think mu byawule echa Palaso and Alien Skin was actually very different. You know, Nestori and Genegia playing our which it was really different. Alien Skin Yamani. He knew and the show was well advertised and everything, and he said I'm going to do a versus because of what happened. Rivalry aliwo. Kati yafe story CM. In any business where there competition, and competition is healthy. So it shouldn't be such a bad thing to value competition in the music industry.
Ekyenjaga okubuuza nti tukkiriza you're not just an artist, you're a dancer.
Yes.
Wakazaala. And of course togipapiza nti you need to get back in shape, you need to go to gym. Ate concert is boom party ya pushing waluyimba. Kirwali nnyo mu bantu.
Yes.
Ati tewali luyimba obadde tokola music. So ogenda kikola otya? Are you going to give the fans your best?
Yeah, definitely. Every time Cindy steps on the stage, the fans know that I'm always giving my best. I give more than 100% every time. Anyone doubtinga, I know kujja kushow kolechi achirabe nganze neuli ampuliranga my body is ready, my voice is ready, my whole team is ready to do this show. So we're going to do it. And then it's about having a song. I think Brandia, the king herself, yaita wao to levels ezo ntinino kulanga oluyimbo kulanga show. Now people trust the brand, whether there's music or no music. It's just about Cindy, and someone will come and watch Cindy, whether it's old music or new music. From my side, that is how we feel, and that's how we are doing the show. Try to know nyengeri okulaunching Cindy back into the industry, but we didn't do, and we have to do it in a big way. And for us, that is the perfect place to chiko.
Abantu basinga tebalowooza embunno luno lugenda balutalo wakati wo ne Sheebah kubanga muvudde mabega keeri mabega nga bigambo bingi mulinga batakwatagana. Jukirwa ali mu federation ate gwo oli president ene eri vice president. Abantu bakitwala embunno muteekawo olutalo lwaddala.
Olutalo sirubi, you understand? Having a battle is not a bad thing. Olutalo lo sirubi kasta most Kubanzi and Sheebah would never physically exchange blows, or because that would be bad. Violence is not good. But Olutalo industry, Olutalo now or business is not a bad thing because we consumer you know, companies was that means the quality air product they no gain our good if they are fighting. So the battle situation is actually not a bad one. Yes, so Bwanga Wedi, you know, it would be a good thing for it to happen. It's not a bad thing.
Asinga kijanga Cindy naye nga Sheebah naye yabukinga ne bakwata entyo n'ogiteeke no neeri ona olirwedde okumukuba endongo.
Ekyo sikiinako buzibu kuva dda. You understand? I've never had an issue having a battle with Sheebah, not just her, but at any female artist in this country. Sinako buzibu yadde. So we're to with such a situation, I will accept.
Olowooza onaamusobola mu ndongo?
Naawe namusobola dda. Namusobola dda. Yes, I'm very sure that she knows that. She knows that. There has to be a separation between the children and the women. Ekyo kirina okubeerawo. But
so for them,
they have to be what?
Kiseewo. Yeah, so that has always, there's no competition there, nothing to fear. And then anytime that happens, I welcome the challenge. Any year, any day, and so on. But today it's about Cindy Biebe, about my concert on the 15th of September. And we're doing Lugogo S. I mean, sorry, I'm so used to Lugogo. Kololo S.
Talk details of concert, you know, charges.
Yes.
Any other details?
No, I think I want you to await that information. Right now, Chenjaga Tambuze Checho. Yeah, that I'm having a concert.
Cindy. Tuyiramu obuzibu nti mulimu abayimbi abamu nga wakola nabo kolabo na likes of Mudra. Bwe mutuuka mule mutadde mu kifo kyekimu oli naye n'alemerako nti tugendagenda mu kifo kyekimu oli oba wataddeyo nange nnina okubeerawo naye nangale olwedi naye yabuki mugenda kikola mutya kuba
we'll work with the organizers, I guess. Ng'omuyimbi ono kikola nga bw'ojjukira nti the last time Sheebah yalina concert eya Spice n'abeera n'eya munne Yakabako, and she managed to actually juggle nakola zombi. So artists yenna ayagala okulonda side oba ayagala fembi to be better for you to organize yourself no jam show zombi and support both artists.
Same venue.
Juka bino bya same venue zali za njawulo.
Lwaki muganti concert eri mu same venue? Ani
abagamba ya booking.
Ya booking.
Alaga n'abayimbi yabasasula bamu agenda okumuyimbira ko tekanaye wotadde.
No, it's a professional business. So booking ebintu you not take a cent chi ku table. You understand? So if there's no money and I find that there's no money and the event it's a good date, manja jikutwala.
Kugamba yeti yateeka sente.
Clear.
Last concert twalaba wagyekwatiramu after sponsors ditched you.
Yes.
It was a success.
Rephrase.
Okay, after
After, I didn't get sponsors for that show.
You didn't get sponsors?
Actually, I had sponsors, but there were few sponsors. What happened with my Boom Party concert is I had the money to run that concert.
Okay.
So I didn't have the time to run around looking for sponsors. I used my resources to do it. And the sponsors who could come in at that short notice. So I was not really ditched by anyone.
Tusubire ba sponsor bayise this time round.
But sponsor and Jagara, from this, what you're going to do, I am calling out to sponsors to reach out. To reach out, yes. I don't like begging sponsorship. I don't like doing that. Mbombanga ntegese shombe sentence zilina. Most of the time, banzu kunganyiza nganzilina. Whether I get a sponsor or I don't get a sponsor, it will happen.
Are we doing karaoke way? We're doing live band way.
This is the king herself. Definitely, music must be live.
Luno si lutalo wakati wa federation ne wuma.
No, that just
because
nothing.
Because vice president, ate goli no president.
Kutegera, chivola ate wali competition.
Sure, wali competition, Madam
Because if you're going to take it that side, it has to be president and president.
President wankole musician federation association. Yakola association
yeah. Kati association ebadde wiki 3 tesobola kubisanya na association ebadde emyaka 8. You understand? It's unfair. So that cannot happen later. So competition, Teddy wait you know.
Lwaki olowooza nti tewali muyimbi mukyala asobola kubatolinga musical in Uganda?
Sirowooza nkimanyi because nga ba artist okay, mune munjogera ne mufana yango omuntu omubi nange
because omuntu yetaaga akimanya ali eyo.
Ayagala amanyi artist bakimanyi. Teddy atamanyi.
Because omuntu alaba Sheebah nga alaba akubye endongo. Ayina zibayina mosi, ayina zaani akubye n'alowooza nti endongo agiina naye bw'oga tasobola kubatolinga.
Omanyi ffenna tuli baakabi nga tuli fekka. Buli omu waba mu kingdom eyiye wakabi until they put you versus somebody else wotegera weaknesses zo kitegera. So a lot of female artists have been watching me perform and I watch them perform and they know there's just no battle. Wabeerawo support for each other, but an actual battle, song for song, performance for performance, Tebepanka with the king.
If you talk about Sheebah's performance, yes.
It's interesting to watch. She's very entertaining. Yes, absolutely. She's very entertaining. Yes. Bobby got our movie a little bit of this and a little bit of that. She may be with her.
Buli omu bw'aba ayimba abaako kyasinga okukola. Ki kyasinga okukola? Kuyimba, kuzina?
Ani?
Sheebah.
Mulinga batamulaba.
Muyimbi budde.
Kati gwe bino biruddemu
you have to look at the industry in Gabwedi. A lot of the female artists cannot really sing, but a lot of the female artists dress really well. By maybe bagifudde kontije ekabulungi nasobola okubanga asobola okutwakinga okona dance nabuzabuza embeera bwatyo nebinyumirayo. A lot of female artists bali bwatyo. So female artists like me nti asobola okuyimba, nti asobola live, and then they can dance and then they can perform. We are very few. So we are dealing with an industry which is like that. So it is okay, and it moves the industry every day. So it's about the little effort that they contribute to the industry. Now you're waiting.
So in short term, we're going to dance.